Now the characteristics of particles. As every matter consists of different types of particles, the arrangement of particles are also different in different types of matter. First characteristic is particles are continuously moving. As the particles possess kinetic energy, with the increase of temperature, the kinetic energy will increase and the particles start moving. The gases will move faster than liquid, less than the gas, and the least one is solids. So the particles start moving as they possess kinetic energy. The second point is particles have spaces between them. As in solids, the particles are very closely packed, but when we move from solid to liquid and then to gases, the spaces between those particles increases. So the gases have maximum spaces between them and they are very loosely bound to each other, as well as liquids are having less spaces and solids does not possess any spaces or very least spaces. The third point is particles of matter attract each other. The attraction is maximum in solids, less in liquids and least in gases. As we can see from this picture about the arrangement of matter, the solids, as you can see here, are very closely packed. We does not have any spaces between them, so they attract maximum, they have least spaces and they are very closely associated. As in liquids are some far away from each other, they have some spaces between them, while gases are very far away. So we can understand from the arrangement of matters that solids are very closely packed, while liquids are less packed and gases are free to move from one place to another. And as you know that only water has the property to change from one state of matter to another. Only in the whole universe the maximum of this property is attained by water. So water can be changed from solid, that is ice, to liquid on heating, and to vapor or gas into boiling. And it can again be converted from gas to liquid on cooling and liquid to solid, that is ice, on cooling again.